That's what.
Your bike is smoking.
ಮಳೆ ಶುರುವಾಯ್ತು. ಮಾತು ಶುರುವಾಗ್ಲಿ.
Good morning. So I'm here at the Mysore road. Not Mysore road, actually we crossed Mysore as well. We started early morning. So this ride is actually with the folks from Royal Brothers. I think some of you might have seen my I think almost almost 2 years back they made a video about me, like about my riding journey and all. So recently, Ashish is a friend of mine who works there, so he made that actual amazing video. So he recently asked me, like, he also want to document the rides I do, and they wanted me to ride with them and like document it together. So actually we are going again back to Wayanad. So just stopped here for a break. My bike is up there. There are 3 folks I'm actually riding with: Ashish, Advait and Nitesh. So this is the bike. Actually there's some variety of bikes here. This is nice. So let me introduce them. So this is a bike we are riding, the Ninja 650. Ashish, say hi to the camera. Advait, Nitesh. Yeah, so we have like all variety of bikes here. Yeah, this is off-roader, sports, street. So the next is there's one place near Massinagudi. Actually seen it. It's a bit off the road and not many people know about it. So we'll probably go there and see how the road is. It's an off-road. I hope we can actually make it to the top. So we'll see. Yay! So he's recording us, and I'll probably give you all the background scenes of the video they are making. So he forgot to turn it on.
Where are we heading right now?
To Massinagudi. From there we should take right somewhere.
I have no problem with kilometers. However long it is, who cares?
Good, let's go. ಮೂರು ಗಾಡಿ. Okay, so the GoPro stops working all the time. Are they wild? They look like wild. Probably the one who chased me. The road goes all the way till the top of that hill. ಸಾಕಾದಿದೆ.
ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಜಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ.
ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಹೌದಾ, ಲೆಗ್ ಗೋ. ಜಾನ straight जाओ. Okay, the 650 is not this for the terrain, but it came all the way here actually. Yeah, we'll go up there.
Then we come back that shot.
Yeah. Not an off-road bike, but it does the job.
So what I meant is, you both come here and you guys stand here. Like, take a little bit of right and go there. Go there.
Oh, okay.
That place. Okay. I'm glad I found this fucking place.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗಾಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕಡೆ ವ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲ.
Okay. What a shot. What a shot. Take that. It should be what do you say? कल का उसको?
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್.
अच्छा. Almost grounded the bike on a stone, man.
I thought I'll get stuck there itself. It's always like you can go to the edge easily, then coming back is the problem. Nobody shows that in the video. Let's go. Come. ಹೌದಾ? ನೀವು ಏನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು?
ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
ಓ ಹೌದಾ? ನೀವೇ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ? ಅಲ್ಲ we are here is the place which actually like very less people know about this place. This is amazing. It's super windy, but you have a beautiful view of that place.
ಇವರು ನಮ್ಮ ರಜನಿಕಾಂತ್
ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಕುಮಾರಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಬಂದಿರಲ್ಲ, ರಾಧಿಕಾನ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು. ರಾಧಿಕಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ರಾ?
ಅನ್ನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
ಓ ಅದು ಹೌದಲ್ಲ.
ಮಿಥುನ್ ಚಕ್ರವರ್ತಿ, ರಾಧಿಕಾ, ಏನು ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ಕಡ್ಸಿಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಪಳ್ಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತ ಇದ್ದಾನಂತ ಆಳು ಹೋಗಂದ.
beautiful off-road. So he's the one who actually takes care of this temple. Like he comes here daily, it seems, and he sits here on this bench every day. I mean, this is like amazing life to actually sit here. It's so windy, and he has amazing view from here. This is the entire 360-degree view, and that's the temple he actually taking care of. It's beautiful. ತುಂಬಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. Really nice coming here actually. Okay, so we are going ahead now. We'll go for a tea and then we'll head out to Wayanad. So we have to go back another 8 kilometers to the back. Okay, let's go. He dropped his gloves. Actually we were just going here for the tea. He dropped and went. Okay. Yo, what's up, bro?
Fast overtake wala.
Yeah. Got the footage. That's it. Let's go back.
Maybe one scared man. Omelette. My omelette ready.
So that's there somewhere is the hill which we went. A small hill, and look at the back side is like all that big valley. If you cross that, it's a route. So we are now going back towards the 10-kilometer back and going to take the Wayanad road. So that's the plan for today. Rest is planned by Ashish, so I'm just hoping. I think it will rain. Yeah, weather looks all good now. Sun is gone, it's all cloudy. The entire weather changed like crazy once we crossed the forest. This here feels like monsoon. It's going to rain now. Before that we will have our food. Yeah, it's finally raining here in Kerala. Yeah. Finally.
The moment we came across the border of Kerala,
Yeah.
we got rain.
The entire weather changed like crazy. So amazing. So happy. Finally, we are in the monsoon zone. Beautiful. Man, this is just brilliant. Amazing. Look at those hills. And it's raining. Yeah! Ha 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 ha! Finally. That was beautiful. And finally we are feeling the Kerala rain. Yeah. Male, male, male. ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? What is that?
That's God.
Your bike is smoking. Smoking hot bike, eh? No, not there, eh? Not there, not there. This is outrageous. Okay, another 4 kilometers to the homestay. So we had rain and we had like a curvy roads. So far so good. Reached here for stopped for a tea, guys. Hey. It's not focusing on the back. Wait. It's okay. Hey, now it's good. Hey, this is the house we are staying. I need to charge all my batteries now. Tired, sleeping. Tomorrow morning there will be more update.